There's no single solution that applies to all situations. Gender, age, culture, and even preference must all play a role. Because females are more likely than males to be publicly praised for their beauty, the signs are different. Furthermore, females can respectably comment on the good looks of both men and women, whereas men are unlikely to comment on the physical beauty of another man. In addition, in some cultures, a man commenting on a female's appearance may be interpreted as improper. All I can say is that it is much easier for a female to receive positive reinforcement about her appearance than it is for a male. It's easy to tell if other people think you're attractive. Simply put, how much nonsense can you get away with? If you're ugly and you act like a dickhead or you irritate other people, they'll just cut you off. If you act like a dick, but people still treat you nicely, it's probably because you're visually appealing. How quickly do women respond to your text messages? How frequently do they start a conversation? People are fundamentally selfish, and appearance is a commodity. Women may tell you that your dad bod is cool, but if you look at the celebrities they want, it's most likely Jason Statham or Jason Momoa, not Seth Rogen. However, your face is the first thing that draws anyone's positive attention. You must take care of it. Simple things like washing your hair, trimming your mustache, and brushing your teeth will get you most of the way there. But one thing most guys overlook, and that women always notice, is when a man neglects his skin. Let's take a look at some signs that you're more attractive than you think. Other people rarely pay you compliments. You might think that people who are considered attractive are constantly showered with compliments, but this is not the case. The reason for this is that people believe you are aware of your beauty and do not need to be reminded of it. Others may believe that you are too tired of being the center of attention. Consider this. When you pass by an attractive model, you may think to yourself, that person is hot, but you never approach them and say it. When strangers pass by you, they do double takes. In public, never undervalue a double take. If you frequently find yourself the recipient of a double take, it means you have absolutely captivating beauty. You have the kind of physical beauty that makes people look twice. It is not enough for them to look at you just once. Consider how many times you've told others about your complexes. Were they taken aback? For example, if you say, I have such low self-esteem, or I don't like the way I look in selfies, and someone responds, you must be kidding. People believe that everything will be fine in the end because you appear confident and self-sufficient. In fact, it may annoy those around you that you would dare to bitch and moan, despite having so many advantages. Similar reactions can be seen in films, where a girl with the looks of a model whines about being overweight, which can cause a wave of indignation to someone who is truly overweight. People frequently make eye contact with you. It's a dead giveaway. Don't take these things for granted. How many unattractive people have you tried to make eye contact with? In fact, how many people are there in general? People don't do this unless they think you're particularly attractive. When people look at you, do they raise their eyebrows or pout their lips? Another ambiguous hint. It's subconscious, and most of the time we're not even aware of it. I'd like to think of it as a reflex brought on by beautiful people. People casually and indifferently compliment you. Things like, you look great as usual, even though you're dressed completely casually. The problem is that people assume you are already attractive, so they try not to make a big deal out of it. People will go overboard and say things like, oh my goodness, you look so stunning today, when someone who isn't usually attractive looks nice.